Wait, Mada. Despite of informing Keith, Madhu is still going ahead. I told let the car go and then go. And now heading back. So now our plan is to go towards Bhadra Reserve Forest. It's about 1:15 in the afternoon now. And the weather is so pleasant, so nice. And the roads are beautiful, twisty and windy roads. Amazing trail. Amazing roads. It was just so much fun to ride in these. So let me just stop and fix what I wanted to fix, my motorcycle. Toolkit.
Huh?
Toolkit. Undo stand chain tagonduಂಡು. ಬಟ್ ಚೈನ್ ಲೂಸ್ ಆತಿ ನಾವು ಅವತ್ತು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಒಂಚೂರು ಅಪ್ಪಾಗ ಪೆಟ್ ಲೂಸ್ ಆತು ಒಂಚ ಆಮೇಟ ಉಂದಾತು ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಪ ಉಂದೆಪ್ಪುನಾಗ ಒಂಜಿ ಸುತ್ತೆ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಇದಾದ ನಿತ್ತನ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಹಿಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪುಷ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಓಕೆ. So what's happened is, you see the stand, it's come a little this side, and because of which the chain is getting hit all the time. I need to push this a little that side now. Let's do that.
Things happen when we do off-road.
Yeah, common.
So be prepared when you go off-road.
So finally we've understood what's the problem. So Kirtan just found out. If you see here, see there is a small cut. So there was a small plate which used to be here, which extends out, and it will stop the stand from coming up. It will lock it here. Right now that particular piece is broken, so we've got a solution. So we're taking a zip tight which Kirtan had got, and we will for now try to see if that can be a solution. The silencer is also hot.
ಓಕೆ
We'll lock.
ಅಂಚತ್ತು ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಮೂಲ್ ತಿರ್ತಿ ಮಲ್ಪಲೆ ನೆಕ್ ಮಲ್ಪಲೆ ನೆಕ್
ಉಲ್ಲ ಏನತ್ತೆ ಫುಲ್ ಒಂದು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಉಂಡು.
ವೇಟ್ 1 second I'll do it once.
ಓಕೆ ಸುಲೆ ಎಂದಾದಂತ ಪಣ್ಣ ಅವು ಹೋಲ್ದ ಬದಲು ಒಂದು ಫುಲ್ ಬೋರ್ಡೇ ಉಂಡತೆ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್
ಎಕ್ಸಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹೀಟ್ ಅಪ್
ಹಾಂ
ಅವು ಬುಡು
ಅಂಚನಾ
ಇಟ್ ಮೈಟ್ ಕಟ್.
ಓಕೆ 1 minute. So we'll take the hole you're saying. Use the hole.
ಇರ್ದೆ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಪಂಪೆ.
Hey, did I take? I think I've already.
ಬುಡ್ಲೆ ನಂಜುಂಡು ಬುಡ್ಲೆ
ಒಂದು ಟೈಟ್ ಮಂತ್ ಬಿಡ್ಕ
ಐರನ್ ಬುಡ್ಲೆ ಟೈಟ್ ಮಲ್ಪಲೆ
ಕಟ್ಟರ್ ಉಂಡ
ಫಸ್ಟ್.
Okay, so right now we'll have to do one more jugaad. The current jugaad won't work because if it melts down we need one more thing. So let's see. So engineer is on the job because just in case if it heats and melts down it will just cut. So we have a secondary plan.
Tertiary.
Oh,
Ternary. What do you call the third one?
not sure.
Just hold.
Let it go that side. Don't put it this side. It might skip. It has to go that side. That's it. Yes. Correct. So we have a primary plan and secondary, and now whatever you called the third plan. Plan C.
Plan C. Yes.
Yeah, so now we need to just cut this. Thank you.
Welcome.
Yes. So we've temporarily fixed this. We'll have to cut it now. We'll see how do we cut it. Find something to cut it. Yeah. Okay. Got a multi-purpose kit. So we'll cut using it. Wait, I think. Wait, just 1 second. I have a Swiss knife. Wait.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, job done. Look at it. Everything is falling. It's so windy.
Just we don't fall.
Yeah, is everything falling? So we'll just now wrap up things and move from here. Now time to go to Bhadra. So just off-road things just happened. So that got broke. Need to get a welding done. So temporarily we fixed it. Myself and Kirtan. Thank you Kirtan. So because he had his toolkit and because of the zip tie, we've now done that. And yeah, time to go towards Bhadra. Because I think it was a little rusted or whatever, old, it just snapped out when the stand hit the place hard. It just snapped out. So I need to get a new welding done, and now it's fine, because I was getting this really weird sound of chain hitting somewhere or some glass kind of a thing hitting, and now this is fixed for now. So the zip tie should do the job. We've got 3 zip tie put together to hold it tight. Yeah, just things that happen when you go on off-road. And look at the tractability. I'm in 3rd gear and at 20 kilometers per hour on Hermes. So thank you, Hermes. You've been a brilliant company so far, taken me through every road that I've put you onto, every challenge that I've put in front of you. You have been able to get through it in a blink. I mean, sweet, without a problem. So I just got this serviced on Friday. just before starting this ride, so it was good that I got it serviced. Now I need to just get that particular thing fixed once I get back, and also want to change the alloy wheels, convert them into spoke wheels, and upgrade the tires to 50% multi-purpose use, off-road and road, because my road usage is very limited. It's just going to be like a kilometer or two max, or maybe 5 kilometers in a day if I'm using Hermes, just to drop my daughter to school and get her back. That's it, not beyond that. So having a off-road tire will also help me, because I take Hermes for these kind of rides where there is a lot of trails and having fun in the trails. So now we'll exit this place, and once I enter Bhadra, I'll come back. Check this road, super narrow, one car and max a motorcycle can cross, and not 2 cars. We are going towards the Bhadra Reserve Forest, and here we are. Beautiful roads. This is in between forest, like hills. In fact, in the valley itself, you're riding in between the valley. Nice weather. The weather is so nice. Despite of being sunny, it's not hot. It's very nice, pleasant, chilly weather. And the roads are fantastic. Though they are narrow, very well maintained, and you have mountains all over the place. Wherever you see is mountains. So basically you're riding in between the valley, just having a good time. It's full green. Especially if you come during rainy season, it's going to be still better. It's going to be like rich color. Now because the winter is set in, it's more like brown is what you can see, a little bit of brown here and there. But then during rainy season, it's just going to be green, like a fluorescent green, like all shades of green is what you'll get to see. So Kirtan is leading now, and followed by Madhu. So from here the Bhadra Forest Reserve starts. From here you're not supposed to record anything, so that's why we need to take our cameras off and put it inside. So that's it. From here we'll take off our camera and keep it inside.
A few moments later.
So just exited Bhadra. Man, what a ride was that. Unfortunately we could not record any of it, but then I must say it was one of a, I can't even find names or word. It was one of a ride. Brilliant. Water crossings. We have water crossings up to almost knee level, 2 feet waters. Huh? Yeah, see the condition of each of the bike. Look at the KTM completely. Look at that. Look at Expulse. Dip till here. Look at all of it, and look at Hermes. See, the water was dipped till this, almost that level. Crazy that was. So now we are heading back to Mangalore. Not too sure if we have any other plans for the day. First thing is to find some food. Famished. It's 3:30 and we haven't had anything yet. So famished. So we'll go towards Chikmagalur, have some food, and then decide what to do. Kirtan, let's go. But I must say, it was one hell of an experience. People go to Ladakh, Spiti Valley, Zanskar and all of it. Next time you want to try this. from Chikmagalur side, basically from your Giri side, that is Dattapita side, or Gadikere. From there you have to go towards Bhadra Forest checkpost. It's 16 kilometers. Will take you an hour to cover that 16 kilometers, but that 16 kilometers would be one lifetime ride that you can kind of do, and it is nothing less than kind of riding in Ladakh or anywhere else. So you want to try that, please go check that out, plan a trip. So basically you can't record anything. Once you come to the checkpost, they'll ask you to remove your GoPro and all of it, so you're not supposed to turn on your GoPro, switch on anything, switch it off. And then next you have to reach the other post by an hour, so you can't literally stop anywhere. You have to keep riding, and the roads are so good, when I say in a sarcastic way, so good that you will take an hour to complete 16 kilometers, and it's nothing like what you see now. This is like a heaven. So we had a fantastic time. Beautiful. So check that out. We could have taken a GoPro and in between recorded and all of it, but then no, we didn't want to do that. We just wanted to enjoy the nature, enjoy what it is, and get through the place. So you can never ever get enough of that place. It's like that. So if you want to try, check out, come to Kemangundi and go towards Chikmagalur, or from Chikmagalur towards Kemangundi, do that Bhadra ride. So now we are going towards Chikmagalur. What an eventful weekend it has been. Trails. It has been only trails. Unbelievable roads, unbelievable nature.